If your chest still looks flat after months of hard training, the problem isn't genetics. It's a critical mistake sabotaging your growth every single workout. Most men train chest with ego, chasing heavier weights instead of better tension, turning every press into a shoulder and tricep workout without realizing it. When your shoulders take over the lift, your chest barely activates, meaning the muscle isn't under enough controlled tension to actually stimulate real growth. Muscle growth comes from controlled mechanical tension, not simply moving weight from point A to point B as fast and explosively as possible. If you cannot lower the weight slowly for at least 3 seconds, you are lifting too heavy and sacrificing the tension your chest desperately needs. Control the negative phase completely, lowering the bar with intention, feeling the stretch across your chest fibers instead of letting gravity steal the tension. At the bottom of the press, pause briefly and eliminate momentum, forcing your chest to stay loaded rather than bouncing the weight off your body. Another mistake killing your gains is cutting your range of motion short, never allowing your chest to experience a full, deep stretch. The stretch position is where the most muscle-building tension occurs, especially during dumbbell presses that allow deeper movement than barbells. If you stop short to lift heavier weight, you sacrifice long-term chest development for short-term ego satisfaction and meaningless numbers. If you do not actually feel your chest working during presses, your nervous system is prioritizing stronger muscles, leaving your chest understimulated and underdeveloped. Before your heavy working sets, perform 2 lighter activation sets focusing entirely on slow tempo, deep stretch, and strong chest contraction. Instead of pushing the weight away from you, think about driving your biceps inward, squeezing your chest hard at the top. That small mental adjustment increases chest fiber recruitment, improving activation immediately and transforming how every pressing movement feels. Now combine controlled negatives, full range of motion, proper activation, and moderate weight to finally create the stimulus your chest needs to grow. Choose a weight you can fully control for 8 to 12 strict repetitions, maintaining perfect tempo without your shoulders or triceps taking over. Every repetition should look identical, same depth, same speed, same tension, proving you are dominating the weight instead of surviving it. Track your progress weekly by increasing weight slightly or adding repetitions while keeping execution flawless and tension focused entirely on your chest. Growth happens when tension improves over time, not when ego lifts heavier numbers with sloppy mechanics and inconsistent effort. Give this execution style 8 consistent weeks, and your chest will respond with noticeable size, strength, and improved upper body symmetry. Stop chasing heavier weights every session and start chasing better execution, because perfect form under tension will always outperform reckless ego lifting. Discipline in your technique builds the foundation for real muscle growth, turning every repetition into a calculated step toward a stronger chest. Remember, your muscles respond to tension and control, not noise, not attention, not how much weight impresses the people watching nearby. Train with intention, master every rep, respect the stretch, and your chest will finally develop the thickness and definition you have been chasing. Fix your execution starting today, commit to controlled tension, and watch your chest transform into the powerful physique you know you are capable of building.